In part one, you access your divine medicine through stillness. In part two, you relocated energetically, emotionally, or even geographically to disrupt the cycle. In part three, you anchored into wholeness, even with echoes still tugging at your field. And now it's part four, where we ascend into the body, into the cells where trauma lingers silently. See, because detoxing from past lovers, people, places, things, timelines, thought forms isn't just emotional, it's nutritional, it's biological, it's energetic. Now, this sounds like it resonates with you. Tap in. You see, there are people from your past committed to tethering themselves to the outdated version of you. And sometimes, even your own inner programming, your familiar patterns and loops will try to pull you back into old cycles. So let's be clear, these people are running gossip and smear campaigns, and gossip and smear campaigns are more than petty behavior. They are a form of word magic, spoken spells intended to distort your field and sabotage your path. And if you're not careful, will break down your health significantly. See, many of these people are just simply wicked. Yes, I said wicked, not evil, but weak head, weak minded. These people allow low vibrational thoughts to override their higher knowing. But you know your timeline, and we won't stay there because now it's not about them, it's about you, and you know your truth. And tonight, we fortify it through cellular protection and energetic boundaries through food. So, welcome back, y'all, to Orgasmic Nutrition Tip Thursday, exclusively from yours truly, Orgasmic Delicious Living Academy. Okay, so let's tap in. You see, trauma doesn't just live in the mind, it imprints on the nervous system and lingers in your cells. And that's why true energetic detox must be rooted in what you feed your body. Because food isn't just fuel, fuel, fuel. It is frequency. So tonight's orgasmic nutrition tip is about eating for protection, repair, and repatterning. You see, when recovering from trauma, especially after emotional entanglement or energetic override, your cells need adaptogenic support. That means nourishment that strengthens the body's stress response and shields your energetic field. So I'm going to list some or adaptogenic allies that benefit both men and women during energetic detoxing. Adaptogenic vegetables like purple sweet potatoes, those taste so good baked. And they're rich in anthocyanins to calm inflammation and stabilize mood. Very good. First time I tasted, I liked it right away. Very good. Beets, they support blood purification and liver detox, also energetically linked to releasing old emotions. Sea moss, everybody in their grandma, grandpa knows about sea moss, which are sea moss are mineral dense and recharges the body after depletion. So here are some fruits that ground and restore. Blueberries, high in antioxidants to protect the brain and soothe the gut, your second brain. Papaya supports digestion and helps release stored grief from the belly. And papaya seeds are good to eat too. Avocado, rich in healthy fats for hormonal balance and emotional grounding. Those are fruits. Here are some herbs that shield and strengthen. Holy basil, tulsi, protects against emotional overwhelm and repels energetic clutter. Ashwagandha balances stress hormones and supports stamina during integration. Moringa, deeply nourishing and cellularly regenerative. Ginger and turmeric is an anti-inflammatory and energetically protective. So here are some spiritual protection herbs that will guard you from energetic override. and defend you. Rosemary sharpens intuition and shields the aura. If you're under any type of spiritual attack, wear that in your hat, wear in your hair. Bay leaves you can burn or steep to clear stagnant attachments. Mugwort supports dream protection and clears psychic residue. So you could put them under your pillow. Rue and hyssop, they're potent for cutting cords and resetting sovereignty. Okay. So this is nourishment beyond the plate. It's body-led protection down to a cellular level. Anyone listening to this, I would love for you to make a comment and list any other herbs, fruits, vegetables, any other adaptogenic food that I've missed here tonight. Because energetic detox isn't just about who you remove, it's about how you rebuild the temple they once touched. Okay? Eat like your energy depends on it because it truly does, especially when you're going through psychic, spiritual attacks. Your body needs the right nourishment. Then your body needs you to pour into it unapologetically. Okay? So this is part 4 of the Energetic Detox Series. I would love for you to save this and return to it when your spirit needs anchoring through what you consume. So share this. As I said, if you can comment, that would be so good. You never know how your comments can help somebody else. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my Instagram. Follow here on TikTok. My Instagram is orgasmic_delicious_living. And my TikTok is sexual_reflexology. Thank you for your love, support, everything, all the positivity you send my way. And I'll see you for part 4 tomorrow, same time, same place. And always stay sovereign, stay loving and peaceful, and of course, stay orgasmically delicious, y'all. Thank you. One love.